Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meho map. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on additional settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. You come here to shortcut card touchdown here. So then you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main shortcut card touchdown disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.